In this video, I'm going to show you how to find trending videos in any niche. Okay, so the first way to find a trending video on YouTube is to go to YouTube search and write down your niche. Your niche might be single mother business or something like that. Business ideas. Yeah, that's a good niche. So we press enter. And then what we are going to do is go to filters, and we want to see this week what's trending. And then we are going to put that we want videos from 4 minutes and to 20 minutes. That means longer form videos. So 8 big money small business idea nobody tells you about. Okay, this guy over here is verified, so that means he has a lot of subscribers, but his view count is very low, so that is not a trending video. So we are trying to find some high views, low subscribers count. Okay, from home. This was posted 4 years ago. Okay, 3 days ago. This is again verified, so this is not a trending video. Best online business idea, another verified user. Make money as a stay-at-home mom. She has 700 views. Let's see how many subscribers does she has. Like, look, this is a perfect idea for a trending video. So she has 307 subscribers, but her video got 400 views, so that would be a trending video. Okay, she has 700 views. So yeah, 5 ways to make money as a stay-at-home mom is a very specific niche, but as you can see, it is trending, and if somebody else makes that, he will compete with this lady over here. Okay, so the next way to find trending videos is to go on Google Trends, write down your topic, stay at home mom or single mother, and then you can select the country. Maybe you want to see worldwide what's trending, and maybe you want to see the past 7 days, and let's say that you want to see about finances and web search. So now we are going to see what's trending. It's over here. Okay, is a stay-at-home mom a dependent? Like, you could do a video about this one. 90% of the people have searched this one. So the next one is competitor analysis on YouTube. So I am following this lady over here, and she grew so fast with 7,000 subscribers in just 3 months, in just 12 weeks. And I really enjoy her journey, and I really follow her steps. So we are going to her videos, and we are going to be seeing the popular ones. The most popular one, which got her monetized in 8 weeks, is this one, as you can see, a month ago. And I could replicate this video, or I could do this video, how I gained my subscriber count, Or maybe this one. You see, all of her viral video are trending videos because she got more views, you see, than subscribers. So that means she's doing some of the trending videos. A new trending video is no, we go here to the latest. The one that I saw and I wanted to replicate it is this one: how to find trending videos in any niche to skyrocket your watch time hours. She made it 2 days ago and she has 2.5k views. I was feeling that something is missing from this video because it was really short and she was only speaking about YouTube trends. So that's why I decided to make this video today. The next way to find trending videos is to go on TikTok. Yes, on TikTok. To write here your niche. Let's say again that your niche is how to grow on social media in 2024, and we'll see what type of video are trending. Oh, sorry. Okay, let me verify this. Perfect. And then we see how many views this topic has, like more best tips to grow on TikTok in 2024, how to grow on TikTok. This time has finally come to grow on social media. You see, this kind of topic is really, really viral, and you could replicate those kind of videos on YouTube and make it as a long form video. Again, let's say that your niche is motherhood. Again, you type motherhood and you see my girl. Motherhood was never meant to be for one person. Being a mother is hard. Can you see how many views has this video? So that means it's a viral topic and a trending video, which you can replicate on YouTube. So that means to get inspired from here, from TikTok, and to make a video on YouTube about this specific topic.